Hi, my name is Amiel. I'm a rising senior at SAR High School, and this is my project, which is the digital multimeter. Now, a multimeter can measure resistance, current, and voltage, along with whether there's a complete circuit. So, if you use these probes, you can connect to something like a resistor over here, or a battery over here, or a circuit, and you set this dial to one of these. This is DC voltage, and that's AC voltage, DC current, resistance, complete circuit, all that stuff. And you have to also get it to the right scale. So if I'm measuring something that's around 20 volts, a little less, I'll put it to 20. And then if I'm doing something that's more than 200, I'll put it over there. If I'm measuring resistance, I'll put it over here. If it's less than 20 kilo ohms, over here if it's less than 200, etc. And this over here tests whether there's a connection. So you go like this. And there's a buzzer that sounds. And you can also test circuit parts. So let's say I want to test this battery. This should be around 9 volts. I put it to 20 since it's less than 20, and it's more than 2,000 volts. So then just connect it. It says a little more than 9. Okay, it's negative. If I reverse these, it's positive. Anyway, I can also test the resistance. Also, this should be about 15 kilo ohms. So I'll set it to 20. And it says about 15. So it works. And now inside, see there are lots of different parts. So this is the battery, 9 volts again, powers the whole thing. This is a circuit breaker to make sure nothing goes wrong with the circuit. It'll stop any super high voltages or anything. This is a shunt wire. It's how it measures a voltage, current, resistance. It can put a known current across this, measure the voltage at the end, find the resistance, stuff like that. This is a transistor. It acts sort of like a switch. There's a base, emitter, collector, and voltage goes through one of them, out the other. This is a capacitor along with this, and it basically stores a certain amount of electricity to release it almost instantaneously, unlike a battery, which has to wait a while. These are diodes, and they ensure that the current can only go in one direction as opposed to going backwards. These are resistors. It can reduce the current as it goes across at a certain voltage to make sure the circuit doesn't overheat. And this is a buzzer, and that buzzes when it makes a connection when it's in that setting. That's basically it.